Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you SST first chapter, chapter 1, the story of early man, means आदि मानव की कहानियाँ. In the beginning, we all have heard that our ancestors were gorillas and apes. Yes, the early man looked like an ape. He lived in the forest, walked like an animal, climbed tall trees, and ate fruits, berries, and roots. No wonder early man was also called an ape man. Yet there was a difference between the early man and the apes. The early man was a biped. He could stand on two legs, while the apes, like the other animals, walked on all four limbs. They were quadrupeds. जैसे कि हम जानते हैं हमारे एंसेस्टर यानी कि हमारे पूर्वज गोरिल्लास एंड एप्स थे. अर्ली मैन जो थे वो फॉरेस्ट में रहते थे, जानवरों के जैसे चलते थे, पेड़ों पे चढ़कर फ्रूट्स खाते थे. अर्ली मैन को हम लोग एप मैन भी बोलते हैं. फिर भी उन दोनों लोग में डिफरेंस होते थे. जैसे कि अर्ली मैन अपने टू लेग्स पर चलते थे, इसलिए वो बाइब्ड होते थे, मतलब जो जानवर अपने दो पैरों पर चले, और एप अपने चारों लिम्स पर चलते थे, इसलिए वो क्वाड्रुपेड्स होते थे. The joints of the early man's hands were also different from the ape's hands. It took many hundred of years for this adaptation to take place in early man. अर्ली मैन के जो जॉइंट होते थे वो एप से डिफरेंट होते थे, और इसे अडेप्ट करने में उनको बहुत साल लग गए. Initially, like the apes, the early man also climbed tree to grab fruits and berries. This is what slowly gave the early man's hands a different structure. Then the early man learned to balance his weight and walk on his hind limbs. This is what transformed him into a biped. अर्ली मैन जब पेड़ पर चढ़ते थे तो फ्रूट्स और बेरीज तोड़ने के लिए, तो इस तरह उनके हैंड का स्ट्रक्चर धीरे धीरे चेंज होने लगा. अर्ली मैन धीरे धीरे अपना वेट भी बैलेंस करने लगे और दोनों पैरों पर चलने लगे. नेक्स्ट, अर्ली मैन बिकम्स सुपीरियर. बट इवन though early man could walk on his two legs, his life was like any other animal. He had to move from place to place to find food and shelter. He also had to sleep on trees to protect himself from fierce wild animals. In fact, early man lived like this for hundreds of years. As time passed, he began to feel a need to bring a change in his lifestyle. He also discovered speech as his brain, memory, and strength improved. Early man slowly realized that he was superior to other animals. अर्ली मैन का लाइफ बाकी जानवरों से कम नहीं था. उनका खाना और रहने के लिए जगह जगह भटकना पड़ता था, और वो जंगली जानवरों के डर से पेड़ पर ही सोते थे. और जैसे जैसे समय गुजरने लगा वो अपना लाइफस्टाइल बदलने लगे और वो बोलना सीख गए. समय के साथ साथ उनका ब्रेन, मेमोरी और स्ट्रेंथ इम्प्रूव होने लगा, तो उन्हें पता चला कि वो बाकी जानवरों से सुपीरियर है. नेक्स्ट, द अर्ली मैन एज ए wanderer. Home. The early man lived alone. His first home was a tree. He did not have a fixed place to live. Instead, he moved from one place to another in search of food and better shelter. अर्ली मैन का पहला घर पेड़ था. वो कोई एक जगह पर नहीं रहते थे. वे खाना और शेल्टर के लिए जगह जगह घूमते रहते थे. Food. The food that the early man ate was fruits, roots, nuts, and vegetables that he found growing wild. Sometimes he was lucky and caught some or the other small animals and ate these. Do you know that early man ate raw flesh? And it was also very difficult to catch these small animals. He used to hit them with stones or cash to kill them. Early man also tried to catch fish with bare hands, and it was a hard life. अर्ली मैन फ्रूट्स, नट्स एंड वेजिटेबल खाते थे और कभी कभी उनको छोटे छोटे जानवर मिल जाते थे. वो रॉ फ्लैश भी खाते थे. मीन्स कच्चा मांस बिना पकाए वो खाते थे. The early man as a hunter and gatherer. Wooden tools, as early man did not have strong claws like other wild animals, and he was also unable to fight them. He used to run for his life whenever he saw them. Many times he could not escape the strong saber-toothed tigers, woolly mammoths, or cave lions. With such a threat to his life, early man realized that he had to do strong something. He decided to make tools. The first tool that he made were clubs and sticks tied with his own hair. अर्ली मैन के पास जानवरों के जैसे पंजे नहीं होते थे और इसलिए वो उनके शिकार बन जाते थे, जैसे सेबरटूथ टाइगर्स, वोली mammoths एंड केव लायंस. इन सब कारणों से उन्हें एक टूल्स का आविष्कार करना पड़ा. स्टोन टूल्स. Man noticed that wooden tools were not as effective as he wanted them to be. He now started to use stone to make tools. This was the advent of the Stone Age. These stone tools helped early man to protect himself from the wild animals. Man then got more and more innovative to make his stone tools better. He sharpened the stones and attached them to sticks. Thus the first spear was created. Like this, man made sharp daggers, chisels and axes. अर्ली मैन को रियलाइज़ हुआ कि वुडन टूल्स बहुत ज़्यादा असरदार नहीं है, इसलिए उन्होंने टूल्स बनाने के लिए स्टोन का उपयोग किया और इस तरह से स्टोन एज का शुरुआत हुआ. ये स्टोन टूल्स उनको जंगली जानवरों से बचाने में मदद करता था. वो स्टोन को शार्प करते थे और स्टिक में लगा देते थे और इस तरह से पहले स्पेयर मीन्स भाला का आविष्कार हुआ. The stone tools proved very helpful. The early man used them to kill fish and small animals and also to protect himself from animals larger than himself. He used them to dig the roots and pluck the fruits from tall trees. Tools made the life of early man comfortable. He now had enough to eat and used tools as means of protection. Smart that early man was, he also discovered a good use for the skin of the wild animals that he killed with his tools. Until now, he used to roam everywhere naked or covered himself with leaves. Now he began wrapping animals' skin around himself. अर्ली मैन स्टोन टूल की मदद से वो मछलियाँ और छोटे जानवरों को पकड़ते थे और ख़ुद को भी बचाते थे, और इस तरह से उनकी लाइफ बहुत आसान हो गई थी। और अब उनके पास बहुत सा खाना हुआ करता था, और अब वो जंगली जानवरों को मारकर उनके खाल से खुद को ढकते थे। Okay students, that's all for this chapter. In the next class, I will provide you questions and answers, filling the blanks, etc. Okay, goodbye.